In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend generated video in Runway ML. If you've made a clip you love and wish it ran just a little longer, this process keeps the look, motion, and feel intact while adding more seconds to the end. Start by opening your project and heading to the Assets section. This is where Runway stores your generated clips. Find the video you want to extend and click it to open its details. Look for an option labeled Extend or Continue Video, depending on your version of Runway. They mean the same thing. You're telling Runway to build more footage that flows directly from the end of your existing clip. Next, choose how long you want the extension to be. Keep in mind that shorter increments are often more reliable, especially on free plans, which typically limit the number of seconds you can add at a time. If you need a longer extension overall, it's better to build it in a few short, seamless chunks rather than one massive jump. This helps maintain continuity and reduces the chance of visual glitches. Now for the most important part, your extension prompt. Think of this as the instruction that guides the model to continue your scene naturally. Be explicit about continuity. Ask it to continue the scene smoothly with consistent lighting, camera angle, and motion. Tell it to maintain the same subject, environment, and cinematic style, and clearly state no scene change. This language helps prevent abrupt cuts or style shifts, and it signals to the model that you want a direct continuation rather than a new idea. If your clip includes specific movement, like a slow pan or a character walking forward, mention that so the motion carries through from the last frames. When you're happy with your settings and prompt, click Generate. Runway will process the request and append the new footage to the end of your original clip automatically. Once it's done, play it back from a few seconds before the transition into the extension. Listen for audio consistency if your clip includes sound, and watch for lighting, framing, and motion alignment. If anything feels off, try a shorter extension or refine your prompt to more clearly describe the ongoing action and visual tone. That's all you need to extend a generated video in Runway ML. Open the clip, set a sensible duration, write a continuity-focused prompt, and generate. With a clear prompt and modest extension lengths, you'll get smoother results and a longer, more cohesive final video.